In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Wonder by Shawn Mendes, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out the song together. Now before we can start playing Wonder, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure to check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song. And those chords are C major, D minor, A minor, and F major. Let's check out those chords together. So the first chord for the song is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And the last chord for this song is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap down, pause down, tap down. Let's play through that string pattern now on the C major chord. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Down, tap down, pause down, tap down, down, tap down, pause down, tap down, down, tap down, pause down, tap down, down, tap down, pause down, tap down. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for 4 beats, D minor for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, and F major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. 1, 2, D minor, go. 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, F major, go. 1, 2, C major again. 1, 2, D minor, go. 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, F major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's apply the string pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, C major, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Wonder. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder if I'm being real. Do I speak my truth or do I filter how I feel? I wonder, wouldn't it be nice to live inside a world that isn't black and white? And I wonder what it's like to be my friends. Hope that they don't think I forget about them. I wonder. Right before I close my eyes, the only thing that's on my mind, been dreaming that you feel it too. I wonder what it's like to be loved by you. Yeah, I wonder what it's like. I wonder what it's like to be loved by you. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Wonder. And that's To Play Wonder by Shawn Mendes. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of the products. And finally, I want to invite you to join the You Can You community on the Vibely app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it today. It's completely free. It's available to all Android and Apple devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.